Okay, so if you were wondering what was in a Grand Ferrero Rocher, this is how it's packed. They basically glue this to the bottom, so you just kind of pry this off, and it was like glued right here. And then they actually glue this foil, so you're gonna have a tough time removing it. You're gonna rip the foil. So yeah, they glue it on several spots all around, and then yeah, it just comes out like that. It's got a big foil ball, and can open up into a foil circle, but the glue is on there, so it's all has lots of rip holes in it. You got a big foil circle like that with a bow on top, and then they trick you. It's not actually like a Ferrero Rocher. It's like this plastic ball. I didn't open this yet, so there's a seal here that tapes it together. Okay. And then inside, oh, you get actually two halves of a Ferrero Rocher. So let's see here. What? So you get a half of a Ferrero Rocher, another half of a Ferrero Rocher, and then instead of the, I don't know what that ball is inside, malt ball or whatever, you get two Ferrero Rochers inside. So it's actually, yeah, it's a trick. Let me see what it tastes like though. Just tastes like a Ferrero Rocher, but chocolate with crushed almonds in it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You get two mini Ferrero Rochers. Oops, sorry. Two giant halves, and yeah, a bunch of this stuff. Alright, that's all. So I was feeling a little cheated until I read this. It actually says it's a hollow milk chocolate and hazelnut ornament. So with two little Ferrero Rochers inside. So yeah, I don't know if the Costco one's different. This one I got from some grocery supermarket store. So yeah, I don't know if it's the same, probably is, but it's meant to be an ornament for a tree. Though I didn't see a string to hang it, so I guess you have to tie a string on there or something. Okay, that's all. See, I was expecting a giant this inside, but I guess that's why you should read.